Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture what we will do is that we'll be finally running this application on our device. So I earlier mentioned that we do need to add a permission to our application so that it should actually go ahead and run, but the thing is that at the moment you don't need to add any permission into your app, and this app is still going to work fine. So in order to test this app, what I'm going to do is that I'm simply going to save the code and I'm going to run this app on my device, and at the same time I will record my device just to show you guys how this thing works. Okay, so right now at the moment the application is up and running on my device, and this is what I'm able to have a look at. So let me just click a picture, and when I hit the button it gives me an option to open up an image. And as you could see, this is the captured image. Now this is a bit blurry because my hand was a little bit shaky, but rest everything looks good. Okay, so that's it for this lecture, and I hope you guys were able to understand how to basically go ahead and start the camera activity. So before we end this lecture, let's go through the code once again so as to understand what happens. So initially what we wanted to do is that we wanted to go ahead and start the camera event as soon as the application actually starts up, and that's why we have created this new intent right here. And along with this intent, we have also created the file over here. So what we have done here is that we basically saved the file to this particular path, which is nothing but the location in our SD card, which is nothing but the external public storage directory, and we have basically stored the image into the directory which is called as DCIM. Now once this thing is done, we have named our image as camera content demo.jpg. And finally what we have done is that we have added this extra information to the intent, and we have basically started that intent over here, and along with the intent we have passed in the content request. Now content request is nothing but it's going to identify when we start this method, and that's what we have done right over here. So as soon as this method actually starts executing, what we have done is that we have checked if the request code is equal to the content request, which means that the intent is coming from this particular thing right here. And after that we have checked if the result code is okay, and once we found out that the result code is okay, what we have essentially done is that we have started the intent in order to show the captured image. So in order to show that image, what we have done here is that we have set the data and type of that intent. So here we have basically set the path of that particular image where the image is actually stored, and then we have basically set the type to be image or JPEG, and finally we have started this activity. So in the upcoming lectures what we will do is that we will learn a few more ways to work with images in your application in your phone. So in the upcoming lectures we will basically go ahead and design a meme app which is going to generate memes out of the images present in your phone. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.